Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali, and in this detailed video, I will share 3 methods that allow you to cash out from Cash App without a bank account. As you know, the amount received on Cash App is usually cashed out directly to our bank account or a debit card connected to the bank account. But did you know that it is also possible to cash out from Cash App without a bank account? Today, we bring you 3 unique methods that you might not have heard of before. Let's get started with the video. To explain these 3 methods in detail, we will refer you to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. This website provides solutions to hundreds of problems related to Cash App. One of its articles, How to Cash Out on Cash App Without a Bank Account, 3 latest methods, discusses scenarios where you may want to cash out without a bank account. Here's what they have explained. Some people don't have a bank account because it can be expensive or hard to get one. Others want to keep their money private and secure. Sometimes people need cash quickly and don't want to wait for a bank transfer. Avoiding bank fees is another reason. Young people, like teenagers, might not have a bank account yet. When you scroll down, the article also mentions some common ways to cash out from Cash App, such as transferring funds to your linked bank account, cashing out to a debit card, using a trusted contact's Cash App card, cashing out at supported retail locations. The article also addresses the question, is it possible to cash out on Cash App without a bank account? It answers, yes, it is possible to cash out on Cash App without a linked bank account. Scrolling further, the article lists 3 specific methods for cashing out without a bank account, along with screenshots for better understanding. Let's go through these methods step by step. Method 1. Transfer to a friend or family member and get cash. This method is simple. If you want to cash out without a bank account, transfer the amount from your Cash App to a friend or family member who also uses Cash App. Then, collect cash from them. This is a common and straightforward approach that many people already use. The article provides a step-by-step guide for this process, which you might already be familiar with. Method 2. Transfer to Cash App card or debit card and withdraw from an ATM. If you have a Cash App card, you can transfer your amount to the Cash App card. Alternatively, if you have another debit card linked to Cash App, you can transfer the amount to it and withdraw cash from an ATM. This is another common method many of us use. The article explains the steps for this method in detail. You can read them by following the article link provided in the description. Method 3. Use the Wise app to get a bank account and cash out. If you don't have a bank account and need to cash out, this method is very popular. By installing the Wise app, you can get an account number, link it to Cash App and cash out. After that, you can transfer the amount anywhere from Wise app and get cash. Here's how it works. Step 1. Install the Wise app on your Android or Apple device from the Play Store or App Store. Open it after installation. Step 2. If you don't have a Wise account, sign up. It only takes 5 minutes. Once you've signed up, your account will be ready. Step 3. Select the United States as your location while creating the account. An account number will be automatically generated. To view it, click the Received button. Step 4. Click on View and Share Account Details to see your account number and routing number. Step 5. Use this account number and routing number to link the Wise account to Cash App. Transfer the amount from Cash App to the Wise account. Once the transfer is successful, you can send it to someone and collect cash. These are the 3 methods you can use to cash out from Cash App without a bank account. If you face any issues while using these methods, you can contact us through the form available in the video description. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.